If you accidentally deleted a conversation, the nice thing is that there are several different methods that you can go through to recover that message to be able to see all of those conversations and just continue where you left off. I'm going to show you all three of those options to be able to recover them. The first option and the easiest one is to just open up the Messages app on your iPhone. From here, if on any of these you swipe to the left and tap the trash can icon, it is deleted but not permanently deleted. To get it back or recover it, just tap on the filter icon at the top right, and then just tap on Recently Deleted. You can see all of your recently deleted, however, they won't stay in here for forever. It says conversations show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, messages will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So where it says 26 days, essentially that means in 26 days, that conversation will be permanently deleted. To be able to recover it, you can just tap on it and then tap the recover button and tap recover to be able to get it back. However, if this doesn't work for you or you don't see it in there, there are two other options. Let's hop out of here and instead tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. And the first thing that we're going to do is tap on your name at the top where it says Trevor Nace. And then midway down, tap on iCloud. From here, next to Save to iCloud, tap on See All. And then tap on Messages in iCloud midway down. All we need to do on here is toggle this off for a second, and you can see it says disable and download messages. Essentially what this means is any message that is on the iCloud will be downloaded to your iPhone, potentially including those deleted conversations. So just tap disable and download the messages. You'll be able to download all of them to your iPhone and see if they are in there. Down the road, afterwards, you can just toggle this back on to sync up all those messages to iCloud. However, if they're still not in there, let's walk through the third option. Let me get out of here and tap the back arrow at the top left, and then tap the back arrow again. Still within iCloud, scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to see your backups. Tap on this iPhone, in this case, this iCloud or iPhone backup, and you'll be able to see the last backup date. Essentially, this is the most previous backup that you have that you can always restore your iPhone to that backup if that was before you deleted that conversation. So if the backup was before you deleted the conversation, restoring to it will restore those messages as well. To be able to do that, it's fairly easy. All we need to do is tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, tap the back arrow again, and yet again. Now, from here, scroll down and tap on General. And then again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then choose Erase All Content and Settings. Essentially, go through this process of erasing the entire iPhone and signing out of it. When you do that, it will ask you, when you hit Continue, you want to keep the eSIM but erase the data. So you'll still have the eSIM or your phone number on that iPhone, but you'll erase all the data. And then when you go to set it back up, essentially just choose that iCloud backup that has that deleted text message in there, and it will restore everything, including the conversation. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.